Hey guys, and welcome to the TGIF podcast. This is Akshay, and I'm here with Anurag, Tushar, Rishabh, and Aman, and we're going to talk some football. If you like our content, please select like, subscribe, and help our community grow. So we'll start with the Liverpool game, obviously, the big game today. Rishabh, what is your view on that? आज का
I
क्या
think
scene
it's gonna be a difficult game. Chelsea, Liverpool, मतलब doesn't matter what it is. I think difficult है. Last
अभी मतलब like एकदम humility में आ रहा है.
नहीं. मतलब look at the last few games.
नहीं तो
difficult.
बोलता था फोड़ जाएंगे, फोड़ डालेगा ना.
फोड़ा नहीं है ना अभी तक. मतलब टेक्निकली स्क्वाड के हिसाब से देखोगे तो फोड़ देना चाहिए था. मतलब बट फोड़ा नहीं है अभी तक. लास्ट
अरे अपना तो कुछ स्क्वाड है ही नहीं.
बेटर है पिछले बार से जो भी है.
नहीं, not really. If you think about
you guys have spent 200 million and these guys have spent around 356 million pounds.
अरे 356 जब क्लॉप आया था 4 साल पहले नौकरी भी नहीं था मुझे तब से.
घुमा फिरा के बात तो वही हो गई ना कि you are building a team
but
that
under
is
Klopp
capable
you
of winning
spend that
titles. We are
much.
building a team that is capable of winning titles.
Yeah, and then but people
You were
still
not
say-
financially capable of building a team in one season, so you were forced. I think if you had the money, तुम उसको आधे सीजन में ही कर देते. You were forced by the
वही, एक
circumstances.
season
And
लगता है तो लोग
let's also think what forced you. Not winning titles for how many years, guys? I think मुझे याद दिलाने की जरूरत नहीं है. But yeah, that is
Anurag
what
full
forced
form
you
में
to
रहते हैं.
So yeah.
I hope that doesn't happen to Chelsea now. Not winning titles for a long time.
I
To
hope
be
to.
fair, अभी खाली 3 सीजन हुए तो बता नहीं
Yeah.
सकते. अभी actually the first person to follow you guys would be United अभी. Like they're actually going towards Arsenal का situation and slowly मतलब उससे थोड़ा सा ज्यादा हो गया 10 साल तो लिवरपूल वाला situation हो जाएगा.
relax.
आज का गेम में I'm thinking अपना मेन प्रॉब्लम्स जो भी था वो सेम प्रॉब्लम्स है. अपना लेफ्ट बैक एंड राइट बैक वाला सिचुएशन. लाइक अगर एस्पी को राइट में प्ले करेंगे तो लेफ्ट बैक वाला एंड अलोंसो को लेफ्ट में प्ले करेंगे तो लेफ्ट बैक वाला सिचुएशन हो जाता है डिफेंसिवली. अगर रीस को राइट में प्ले करेंगे, एस्पी को लेफ्ट में प्ले करेंगे तो वापस राइट बैक का सिचुएशन हो जाता है डिफेंसिवली. लाइक लास्ट गेम में देखा था ना तुम लोग ने, हैवर्ट्स हैड टू प्ले सो डीप क्योंकि रीस का मतलब डिफेंसिवली प्रॉब्लमैटिक है. वो बार-बार मिडफील्ड में अंदर आता है एंड पूरा खाली छोड़ता है उधर. तो whoever is playing right wing defensively बहुत वर्क करना पड़ेगा. एंड वो भी लाइक साले माने एंड इसका होल सिचुएशन.
नहीं, but I think with Kai Havertz, with Mount on right, it will be much
माउंट
better.
राइट पे
I feel because
बहुत गंदा
Mount
खेलता है बे.
runs
He'll
back,
play-
यार, at least.
हाँ एटलीस्ट रन्स बैक, बट उसका क्रिएटिविटी खत्म हो जाता है राइट में. लाइक लेफ्ट में उसका क्रिएटिविटी है, राइट में उसका क्रिएटिविटी.
What I mean to say is better. He's better than a Kai Havertz defensively.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, obviously. But that's the thing. We have to sacrifice one
Pulisic is
creative
set to be
player
out, right?
either way. क्या बोला?
Pulisic is said to be out. Pulisic is out, no?
Yeah,
Pulisic
Pulisic
is
is
out.
definitely out.
Even Werner is out.
Hey,
Werner
no.
is
Werner
out.
was declared fit.
Fit.
Werner is fit.
उसका डेड लेग था रे. डेड लेग ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता है. The problem is this, like हम लोग को maybe Werner left wing खिलाना पड़ेगा. स्ट्राइकर जीरो लेते हैं and then right wing का problem है क्योंकि right wing जो भी है, if we play Reece उसको cover करना पड़ेगा उधर पीछे. तो
नहीं, but
Reece का attacking output
Dude,
है, but
are you talking in terms of, you're talking in context with today's match, right?
yeah today.
And why do you think this is going to work out compared to your last team? Like, why you would like to make those changes?
I'll
I'm
tell you why.
saying that the problems we had last season are the same problems we have abhi right now. I'm not saying like आगे जाके तो we'll have all our players ना. Chilwell एक बार left में जाएगा तो that problem will be solved. But this game has come too early अपने लिए. Like now players haven't returned. Thiago Silva नहीं है. अपना defense is the same. Kepa is the same. Like अपना even with all that money spent, अभी मतलब अब तक this game अभी के लिए for us is too early. Like if this was like at least 5-6 games in now, then I would have been more confident. अनुराग तू क्या बोल रहा है?
So you're saying Liverpool will win tonight? What are you saying?
No, I'm saying that it's going to be really hard for us to like even compete. and that is the issue. I just want to compete, man. Like Liverpool is a strong team, so
but we are not gonna lose 5-2. That is for sure. I can give it in writing. I'm saying it in front of the camera. We're not going to lose 5-2, 4-2.
Dude, last game we 5-2 was too harsh, man. I think 5-2 was insanely harsh. Yeah, I mean, we played well last game. हम लोग at least we were trying to come back. Come back नहीं बोल सकते. we kept trying to come back.
You know what is happening? The Liverpool guy is just quietly listening to you guys bark because he knows.
And then साला पूरा revenge लेगा, like it's scoreline आने के बाद.
That's what he's doing.
No, I think it's gonna be.
And Lampard are doing, by the way.
No, I'll tell you why. It's
Yeah. Exactly. That is something I want to talk about.
No, so here's
that Klopp and Lampard battle.
Those things don't matter. I mean, on
but
and all
what's
they
that?
do stuff like that.
Yeah, but देखो क्या लगता है?
Klopp
Like,
said, okay, here's the thing. Klopp said that during these times, he feels that there are some teams which can still spend, and their team cannot spend that much. Whereas
and
Chelsea
then 30 million Thiago buy किया, and then अभी Jota buy करने का try कर रहा है.
30 million and 40 million is a very cheap buy compared to the buys that Chelsea have done. If you look at just this
but that comes right after saying that we
season,
can't spend. That is the problem here. It's not the problem that you can't spend anything.
Yeah, but you have to.
The problem here is you say that you buy players.
But he was never asked to
Basically,
tell the truth, no? वो वही बोलेगा ना जिसको बोलना है.
Why do you think
I
he
think
will-
वो narrative अच्छा set up कर रहा है. Like नहीं मेरा Klopp है ना, is very good at setting up the narrative. That's his skill, and I think it should be applauded because the way he set up the narrative, it feels like Liverpool मतलब उसको youth से academy से बहुत सारे लोग बंदों को डाल रहे खाली कब से खेल रहे हैं, which is not the case. लिवरपूल का पूरा टीम में खाली ट्रेंट इज फ्रॉम द एकेडमी एंड और कौन है?
How many players are there in your team from the academy? Who you would keep in the team right now, and who you wouldn't replace with the buys, the expensive buys that you're doing?
Mount and Reece
and Mount will play once everybody comes back. Mount will play every game.
नहीं every game का सवाल नहीं. I'm saying that even
Reece
close to it, like तुम लोग का squad
talking about academy, we have the most academy players who are still playing. Proud of
तुम
that.
लोग का झोल है बे.
I'll tell you this.
झोलर academy है.
Whenever teams have lack of quality, I think that's when they go for academy. Last year, Chelsea was in a very difficult situation, and they obviously have a very good academy, so they were able to use it, right?
No, but
Liverpool में अगर ऐसा situation हो गया, सामने 3-4 player, top players injured हो गए, academy में खेलेंगे. You can't go out and just replace Salah, Mane, Van Dijk and all. I mean, even we'll never have that much money to go and replace those kind of players.
But academy का situation comes into the whole home
by the way,
ना जो Liverpool struggle कर रही है ना अभी. but like home quota
My whole
situation है ना.
The thing is that coming back to your point, that why I think it's going to be a difficult game. If you look at the times when Mourinho was at Chelsea, and Chelsea's really good days like John Terry, Lampard and stuff. During those days, Liverpool's squad was not that good. We had like very few good players. But still we competed. It's not like we never competed and we just lost and sat back. It was difficult, but we still competed in the Premier League also. And I think it's the same. I think Chelsea is building their squad and they're going to compete. Chelsea-Liverpool games are always very, very competitive. It's not going to be as easy. Even last few games, don't just look at one game. Last few games, if you see, however good Liverpool's team is, when it comes to the big games, right, it gets difficult. Even when we play Everton, when I look at Everton, I don't feel like we should be, struggling against this team. But look at all our results against Everton. It's so different. गोल जाता ही नहीं है. मतलब एक वो ओरिगी वाला गोल चला गया था, वो इतना लकी गोल था. लकी मतलब क्या होता है? पिकफोर्ड ने मस्ती कर दिया था. वरना मतलब it was like वो जाएगा ही नहीं ball under. So I think it's going to be a difficult game. I still feel that Liverpool have the edge, but from last game's perspective, I think we have to see how we perform, because last game was like some crazy stuff. मतलब इतना गोल हम लोग कब खाए पता नहीं मुझे.
हाँ भाई, and Leeds ने अभी Van Dijk का big situation है. Like मेरे को do you think he's kind of declining slightly? I'm not saying too much. He's still the best. क्योंकि कल last time Leeds का second goal was Van Dijk का assist था, definitely.
Odd game. It was an odd game, man.
See, one error is fine, I guess, by defense.
No, but since coming back from Corona, he's been a bit off his game. like the
Since
corona
coming
break
back
के
from
बाद
Corona,
से
we won, and then
हाँ,
nobody
हाँ.
gives shit anymore.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
But that is the point ना. If you win the league, उसके बाद में the second season का main cheese is like the you don't want it so much because you've already won it. That is the big issue, na. That's
But
why
that
people
will-
haven't done it twice in a row.
Yeah, but I think the first game is a little too early to call that. I think
Yeah.
Leeds
Yeah,
were
obviously.
exceptional. Some of the goals they scored, we
Yeah,
have to accept. Like
Leeds
one of the
crazy
on the left side, that control, like, he
Harrison.
controlled it.
Jack
It came towards
Harrison,
right side.
Jack Harrison.
That was little too much. Like I mean, you expect some big players to do stuff like that. And ठीक है, मतलब वो होता है. Even against the Community Shield, the Aubameyang goal, क्या करेगा? वो मतलब he cut in and he scored. Like there's no way you can stop that. How do you stop that?
Yeah.
So I think
Yeah, but-
it's too early. A few games into the season, you'll get to know okay, Liverpool players have that thing or not. I think they have that. They have an amazing group of players. I think the manager is there. And the best thing is what has happened yesterday. I think something that Arunag is not liking is that we signed Thiago and we went for Jota.
Oh my God,
I-
dude! That
I don't know much
Thiago
about
deal
Jota.
looks amazing.
That was
Yeah,
like
but
two
I-
big deals.
I have
What do
no
you
problem
think
with
about-
signings, buddy. My problem is getting out there and saying that Chelsea are signing players to
Yeah,
win
it's a
titles.
bit hypocritical. That's all.
Yeah.
वो तो
Yeah,
बोलना
that is
पड़ेगा,
all, yeah.
because-
Sign anybody, bro. Go sign Messi. I have no problem. But my point is, don't
दिल
say
पे
we
ले लिया
don't spend
अनुराग.
money. Don't
ये
say
तो-
we don't spend money.
अनुराग दिल पे ले लिया.
ये तो वही हुआ भाई कि मैं वेजिटेरियन हूँ बोल के जाके रोज रात को नॉनवेज खाता है भाई, ये वो सीन है
Exactly.
इसका।
निशांत कैसा?